If you recall, we have the number of people, the prohibition number of people from 4 to 8. And so in view of the lifting mode, we have looked at what is a number that is acceptable, or the risk is acceptable. On the one hand, I think currently under our CAP 599G, there are certain exemption categories that have a 50 people number, for example, wedding ceremonies and also AGM and also EGM. And so far, under these exemptions, so far the compliance and everything, it is okay. So in the lifting mode, we have considered that the number of persons allowed in these group gatherings in public places, we want to relax to 50. And also, this will remain for 14 days. As I've said many times, it is a gradual lifting, a gradual sort of paving the way. So therefore, it will last for 14 days. And in this 14 days, obviously, we will continue to monitor the situation and see if there is any room for further lifting in this situation. Of course, our experts, as the Chief Executive have already said this morning, we have, during the meeting on Saturday, we have sort of discussed the lifting both for CAP 599G and also CAP 599F. And therefore, I think the experts agree that this is the suppress. We are in a suppress and lift strategy. We are in the lifting mode, unless obviously the epidemic situation has changed. So we capture, the situation and then try our best to look at the public health aspects, as well as all the different measures that we have put in place. So remember, it seems that people are focusing on the number of people that we are lifting. But in fact, we have lots of other measures in place trying to put the risk down, even if we have increased the number. But if the number is obviously too big and also with no control, the important issue is that it is, if it is within a scheduled premises, there are certain control by the catering business, by the organizers, by the business head, in terms of to maintain and also comply to all the regulations, all the instructions and directions that we have put in the law. So this is important. And if the number is too big in terms of an outbreak, then many people would be catch, and would be the spread would go to a bigger number of people. So this is something that we are concerned.